Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2, entirely made of fischertechnik, running embedded Linux on the TXT controller and programmed in Python. The objective is to walk to these objects using front sensors and a camera in front of here using 2 battery packs. Last time I made an improvised leg sock, as you will, to minimize the friction or to maximize the friction on the cloth, so it actually runs nicely or walks nicely, but it still walks one particular wrong way, and that's a diversion. So what I want to do is see if I can attach a lamp or an LED to the motors or to one motor, and then see if that signals when it's activated, and then try to work out which one is actually the culprit. So let's get to that and do that via screencast. With 2 terminals on the controller, 1 terminal on the laptop, Robot Pro to check on everything. This is obviously in working mode, and then obviously the camera for showing a walking robot, which is walking yet. So what I first go to do is attaching the LED to, or lamp in this case, to one of the motors. So let's just do that with this one, and it is always nice to have logged into the controller. So first of all, let me just put the right date in. This is today 15. And that's correct. Code, and this is ready to run. So now attaching somehow, somewhere, this, and I want this into red, and let me check where the connection should be. That might be on a nasty place somewhere here. Yeah, here I have to turn the connector around to get to the same kind of location. Which makes it here. So now I have to see if it actually runs. So go. Speed. And it doesn't run at all. Although this is clearly showing, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, it is, yeah, so you can clearly see that it is burning, but nothing happens. That means that my idea is working and that I will add more LEDs to the other motors. If I can find enough of them. But the idea seems to work. I have only been able to attach 2 lamps to it, apart from the first one, because I lack connectors. And I have to put them somewhere. So I made this construction, which I'm going to attach here. So now it's not interfering with the battery pack, and now's the question, can I mount them quite nicely? This is 1, then this should be number whatever, and this one goes here, one spot open. So let's see how this one works out, if it works out. And go. And of course I will have to wait for the camera and then for the speed. This one isn't working. Oh, that's very interesting. One is not doing anything. Is that revealing, yes or no? Why is it doing nothing? Do I have a replacement? I am assuming that everything works okay. Let's just run again. Still same thing. I have to measure the cables for correctness, and if so, and if they are correct, check the lamp. This is not good at all. So, multimeter, and then check them, the wires. So, first thing, run the software and measure the voltage over the lamp. And now it runs and it works. And then it shows that motor 3 stops and... Alright. Yeah. Nothing to measure. It works out. That is great. Alright, so, but there is something with motor 3, and that's a thing to worry about. And it turns out that I find not just another lamp, but also 4 connectors, for which I had to scavenge another experiment. But motor 4, 3, 2 and 1. So now it will get clear which motors work out and when. First, Robo Pro. What is the actual voltage? 8485, alright. It might be doable. So let's just run it. See wherever it leads us. $500, go. And they all 4 work now. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 and 1 are the first ones to give in, or to give up. And now's the question, which one is which? And for that I have to go to the schematics. And this is surprising, considering that I counted 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is actually 1 and 2. But it is first 2 motors that give in, and That's front of robot, right and left. So that's that one and that one. So on the front of the robot. So how can this be explained? Actually, I don't have a clue. Let me check on here once again. Yeah, it is not much left, but let me try once again. And there goes the battery voltage. Okay, totally out. I have to recharge and then see whatever I can do. I did not recharge the battery yet. I put it on the AC adapter. So I can just continue for now. Let's run and see if the AC adapter can actually replace the batteries for now in terms of required power. So far it can. And you can see from the lights that all 4 motors are active and then these 2 stop. So regarding the wiring, it is the back side of the robot that goes on the so these 2 go on and these 2 are actually stopping first, and why that is a big question. So it's not either left or right, but then why the turn to the left anyway? That's a fair question, and I hope to see that the left side did not work, but that's not the question. That's not the issue. So more riddles than answers. And diving deeper into the problem or the cause of it is for another time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion. Click the bell for notification, by the way. And you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please support via either PayPal or Ko-fi or by becoming a patron. For more information, see also my website, which is listed under the video. And this is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.